doing this really fun, graphic, kind of chromatic eye look, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get right into the video. So I used the NARS foundation, the Radiant Longwear foundation in the shade Barcelona. And then for concealer, I have the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear. I'm just setting my face with my Fit Me powder. I have this NARS bronzer and blush duo that looks like that, and I'm just going to use that right now. Just gonna use a smaller brush to contour my nose. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Nude Palette, and I'm going to go in with a neutral shade on the lids. So I'm going to start with Secret, which is like a dusty kind of pink shade, and then I'm going to start that in my crease. And just blend inwards. I want to take it out a little bit further. And then I'm going to use the shade Bare and put that on the inner portion of my eyelids. And using the other brush, just blend in with the pink. So now I'm going to take a green pencil eyeliner. This one is from Annabelle in the shade Sea Green. And I'm going to use this to make an outline of my eye from here and then downwards. Kind of like a wing, but like above the eye. And then we're going to bring it downwards. And I'm going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, so I did end up taking this one in over the upper waterline, so I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And then if you want to make it a little bit sharper, I just took a cotton swab with a little bit of makeup remover and just like sharpened the edges out. Alright, going back into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to be using the shade Daydream, which is this really pretty kind of light pinkish purplish shade on my finger, and just dabbing it inside. And it's okay if you go over the green a little bit because we can just add some more green on top. And then I'm going to take the shade Charmed and then put that on the outer portion. It's similar in color, but it's a little bit darker. Then I'm just taking a clean little brush and just buffing the two together. Then I'm going to go back in with the green just to darken up everything. I'm going to add another liner on top, which is going to be the Into the Blue shade from the Stila Magnificent liners. And I'm just going to take that on a little eyeliner brush, and I'm going to put it right there. And a little just right in here. Alright, and I'm going to go in with some mascara. Really focusing it on the roots. Alright, these are the completed eyes. Alright, for highlighting, I'm going to do a liquid highlight and then a powder highlight on top. So this one is the Anastasia Liquid Glow in the shade Perla. So just dot it. I think you can see how pigmented it is. Just in all the spots you would highlight. And then we're just going to blend it with our fingers. Alright, now that that's on, I'm going to use my Sleek makeup palette. Honestly, I just mix some of these. And then just brush on top. And then just a little brush for the nose. So I'm using this kind of nudie pink matte lipstick from L'Oreal. Just gonna dab this lipstick on top, which is Bite Beauty's Chai. Just right on top. Completed look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!